Hello guys, welcome back to my page. So today I tried out a new method. Actually, I've been seeing people use it so often and I decided to use it today. First of all, if you follow me Hello guys, welcome back to my page. So this is how I create my already partitioned 4x4 closure. First, you get the exact center of your closure, mark it out. From the center line, ventilate 9 units away because this is the size I wanted. Then after your first 9 units, you give 2 spaces, that's 2 unventilated lines. This will serve as the beginning of another bus, and ventilate 9 units. After the 9 units, you give 2 spaces each, as you can see in this video here. Then from the beginning of that 2 lines you left, ventilate vertically down the beginning of each horizontal line. This helps you to form your buses very easy, as you can see in the video. To create the second part of the bus, you count 2 units away from the last bus and ventilate both horizontally and vertically, as you can see in the video. I'm just creating the buses, the filling will come later. So after creation of your buses, this is what you will have to look this way. Then the next step will be filling of the buses. Actually, I use 1 line in, 1 line out, and single knot method in my filling. After the first one, this is what it looks like. Then the rest, I kept on filling it until I finished the whole buses, and I didn't actually count how many buses it gave. Then this was time for partitioning and braiding of the buses. As you can see, if you get the first bus, it's always easier to get the rest because you just trace 2 units away to get the rest of the buses. So this is me braiding the hair down, and this is the final look. Very neat and easy. Thank you.